Matron, take them away.
Okay, I'm going to do a very quick video on a pip calculator, and I'm doing it for Kevin in the squad. A little salute to you, my friend. Shouldn't really be giving you a salute while you're sunning it up in Spain and it's -6 here. This is no good. But is this calculator any good? Well, hopefully it'll help you. It's going to be very quick. So just flick it over. We'll pull Google in so we can see it. Go to my trading file. Come to here. And this is the company. It's called cashbackforex.com. And the one you'll want to look for, you can either look at the lot size calculator, which is this, or you can go to the pip calculator. This one might be a bit simpler for you. It's very simple. So if you're trading cable, you can trade whatever you want. You can also star them so you can quickly go to them. So if you wanted to say euros, so you can drop all the euros in and you can star the euros that you like. And then if you flick it up there, the assets that you use all the time will be starred. So you can just quickly click in and get hold of it. What we'll do is we'll look for, well, we'll go for cable because that's what everybody sort of trades quite regular. Click it on all. We'll star that as well just so that we can recognize it if we need it, and we'll click that in so it's on there. Again, you can put in whatever currency you like. Most of us use US dollars, but if you euro, yen, pound, wherever you happen to be, you can drop that in there and it'll work it out to your own currency as well. You can put in here what you're looking for. So you might be trading a micro lot of 0.2. Now, if you're on the fivers or BlackBull, they will go down to 0.01. So you can work this out. Just put in whatever your target is, or roughly what your minimum target is in here. So say 10 pips, and then it'll quickly calculate what you get. So in this case, at 0.2, for every 10 pips, you're going to get $2. Okay. So if you did, say, 0.5 and calculate, you get 50 quid because that's like a $5. All right. And then again, up here, if you put in whatever your target is, say it's 30, and you calculate, it'll tell you what it's going to pay you. So you can have a rough estimate of how much you're going to be paid and how much that position size is going to generate based on the target. It's a nice, quick and easy way to do things. And then you've got various other little programs down the side to help you work out your profits, true lot sizes based on account size and risk, all that sort of thing. It's a good little tool. So there you go. Hope that helps. Catch you all soon.